Alright, so you have a whole bunch of cooling fan for the microwave magnetron, right? So this is the cooling fan that cool on the magnetron in a microwave. Alright, so this will be facing like this direction. And the fan be facing this direction, blowing all the hot air away. Alright, so you have 20 cooling fan. And I don't know what to do with it. You're thinking of throwing away. Well, today I'll be showing you how to make some extra money on the side and how to save the environment by scrapping this. As you can see, this is copper. Right, so this part is copper, this part is aluminum. Right, so this part is aluminum and the body around it is metal. So you can scrap this and sell it for this Iron Man, this scrap yard, and get some extra money instead of throwing out with this. Because you throw away this will be a backfill for the land, a bad backfill for the environment, and they don't want that to happen. When you can just simply recycle this, get some extra money, and save the environment. So let's get started. First thing, you have to get the blade. Right, so you pull the blade out like this. Alright, so this one real hard. Some of those blades are very hard to come out. Try next one. Alright, so this one come out. Now the next step now is to take out the screws. Right, so this one over screw. I will get one with a screw. Right, this is one. Take out the blade. Remove the blade. Remove the screws. Alright, so this part is aluminum, and the reason why it's sticking because this part inside here, the bushing, is metal. So remove the bushing. Alright, so this part is aluminum. Same thing across here. This part is aluminum, and the bushing have metal, so remove the bushing. Alright, so aluminum, this part is metal. Right, and to get this now, you have to knock out this. Alright, so you get a small hammer and knock out this part here. Alright, so you come out. Now remove this metal, and to get to this, you gotta cut open this part. So you need something like a knife. Alright, so you can use a knife or a sharp razor blade like this. And then just pull like this. Alright, so just like that. Alright, so copper. Now not all cooling fan have copper wire. This one, the color of this is kind of reddish, dark reddish. Right, this is aluminum. You just know. You just have to watch the color and scrape it, and you will see it's silver. Right, so it'll be silver. So this is aluminum. This one will be brown when you scrape it. It remains brown. Right, so this is copper, it's aluminum. Right, so this is copper, and this one is aluminum because of the color. See, another aluminum. Alright, so far I have some copper, some aluminum, and some metal. Alright, so I will do the rest and get back to you. Alright, so this is all the cooling fan motor scrap. This is a cooling fan for the microwave, for the magnetron, and this is what scrap. I think it's 24 in these motor scrap for the copper, metal, and aluminum. Alright, so this is the copper I get. I think this is probably about a little more than a pound, I'm not sure. And this is the aluminum. This is less than a pound, probably about less than half pound. And some of the winding in the motor is aluminum. Right, so these are aluminum winding, and this is copper, and this is the cooling fan, metal. Right, and you can still see it has some pieces of copper. It's kind of hard to come out, but I won't waste my time taking out this piece of copper. So this is probably about 5 pounds or the more of metal. All right, this is the all the blades. Alright, the winding will be around this spot. Alright, so all the winding will be around this spot. Alright, so this will be like this. Okay, a fatter one. Alright, so this will be something like this inside this. And all the winding will be around it. Right, and let us go like this, just like this one. So you see difference. And this is the tools I use. Are gloves. Sometimes the metal be sharp. I need a gloves to protect your skin from getting cuts. A knife. I to cut these ends. I see using knife to cut these ends like this. In your pliers, sometimes to pull this, sometimes it'll be like it doesn't want to come out, so you take the pliers and you pull. Right. Now you have pong one end to get it a little longer to pull. Alright. And sometimes you need a cutter to cut like some of the aluminum. It'll be very difficult. Like these don't have screws. Right, these don't have screws. So sometimes I take this and bend it up and break it out. Right, so use this to break it up and bend it out. Right, so I will add this. I will add all this copper to some of my collections. Alright, so this copper came out from a magnetron. Alright, so inside this cover there is 2 pieces of copper. Right. So I get this from another magnetron. So this here. Then these copper so these copper, it came out from the turntable motor, right? So inside this, there's copper inside this motor. So I probably scrap about 20 to get this amount. So I will add all my copper in this. And so far this way probably about 3 pounds of copper, and I still have more to add to this, so I'll put this aside. Alright, so this is my bag of aluminum. As you can see, these come from a magnetron. Right, this is cooling fins from magnetron. Right, so this one are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have a lot in this. I have plenty in this. So also aluminum. Right, this is a big bag. It reach almost half. So I'll add all my copper. I mean aluminum. I'll add all my aluminum to this. Alright, so this probably be about almost 5 pounds. Alright, so this is my metal collector. As you can see, it's a microwave, and you can see it have magnetron metal housing. Alright, this is from the magnetron. Now part of this is metal and part is aluminum. So the copper kind of hard to get out, so I don't bother. I just throw it away to the metal. Alright, so I'll take all my metal and add it. And this probably weigh around 40 pounds, right? When it's full, this will weigh probably around 40 to 50 pounds of metal, right? I might probably get a few hundred for this, not sure. So not only that are recycling all the metal, aluminum, copper, are also saving the planet by not polluting, throwing away iron, copper, aluminum into the ground. So I save the planet and I save a lot of money. So thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all the repairs.